A very good morning to you, my dear students. Myself Shabdika Pandey, your computer teacher, and children, welcome back to your computer period. In this period, in this video, we will cover question and answer part of chapter number 8, which is data and memory. So children, as you all know, we have already completed our chapter number 8 explanation, which is data and memory. Okay, so in this video we will start with our question answers and exercises, whatever it is. Okay, now let's get started with the topic. So children, kindly open page number 54 in your computer textbook. The chapter name is Data and Memory. Now, children, here is one activity for you. In this activity, what you have to do is, you have to write your name. In the place of my name is blank. In the place of this blank, you have to write your own name and your own age in the next blank. And third sentence is, my mother's name is blank. So you have to write your mother's name here in the blank. And fourth one is, my father's name is blank. So in this blank you have to write your father's name. And next blank is, my house address is blank. So you have to write your house address. Okay. Now, the last statement says, I have dash brothers and dash sisters. So, if you have brother or sister, to write the number of brother in the first blank or number of sister in the second blank. So, children, this activity you have to do in your book. So, complete it in your book. This is a homework for you. And now, let's come to the next page. Kindly open page number 56 in your computer textbook and let's see the first question. Now, first question says, fill in the missing letters using the help box. So, in the right side of the question, you have one hint box here. So, some words are given here. You have to choose the words from the hint box and write all the missing letters in the question. Okay, now first one is a number. So you have to write exact spelling of number, which is N-U-M-B-E-R. So which is number. Okay, next one is memory. Where is memory? It is in the horizontal side. So you have to write memory. Here you can see one highlighted word, which is memory. M-E-M-O-R-Y is memory. So you have to choose the word from the hint box and write all the correct letters. So M-E-M-O-R-Y is memory. Okay. Now next is word. Where is word? This highlighted word you can see is word. W-O-R-D, word. Okay, so see the spelling in the hint box. It is W-O-R-D, word. So write it here. Now next is keyboard. Where is keyboard? This highlighted word is keyboard. So you have to write K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Okay, now next one is data. Where is data? This vertical line says data. D-A-T-A, data. Okay, so write the correct spellings from the hint box. Now come to the next question. Next question says, write true or false. First one is, data cannot be a picture. Is this true? No. Because data can be anything. It can be a music, it can be a picture, it can be a drawing, it can be anything. Okay, so data can be a picture, data can be a movie, and it can be anything. So first statement will be false. Okay. Second true false says a computer can remember the data stored in it. Is this statement true? Yes, second one is true because computer never forget anything. It always remember the data which is stored in it. Okay, so computer never forgets anything. It remember everything. So second one is true. Now third one, a computer work on its own. So is this statement true? A computer work on its own? No, a computer never work on its own. We have to instruct computer. We have to give instructions to the computer to do any task, to do any work. We have to instruct computer. So it does not work in its own. Okay, so third one is false. Third one will be false. Now fourth is a computer stores data in its memory. This statement is true because as we are human beings, we store data in our memory. Similarly, in computers, computer stores all the data in its memory. Okay, so computer is having its own memory, so it will store all the data in its memory. So this statement is true. So last one will be true, to put T on the blank. Okay, now true false done. Let's come to answer in one word. First one is, where does a computer store its data? So where does the computer store its data? Do you know the place? In its monitor? No. In its keyboard? No. A computer always stores its data in its memory. Yes, it stores data in its memory, and its memory is present in the CPU box. Okay, so all the memory which is inbuilt in the computer is present in the CPU box, or we can add some external memories like pen drive, hard disk, or memory card. Okay, so we can add external memory to the computer, or it says store all its data to the CPU. CPU is having its memory unit. So where does computer store all its data? In its memory. Okay, so write MEMORY, memory. Okay, now next question. What do we call the words and numbers that we enter into a computer? So what do we call those words and numbers that we enter to the computer? We call it as a data. Why data? Because data can be anything. Data is the instruction, or data is, it can be anything like words, numbers, and pictures, movies. So we call words and numbers as data. Okay, so write DATA, data. Okay, so we call words, numbers, and whatever we are entering to the computer, whatever we are inserting to the computer is a data. It will be a data. Okay, so children, let's see some storage devices. What we have learned in the chapter. We have learned all these external storage devices. First one is a hard disk, which is square in shape, and it can store a large amount of data in it. Okay, so hard disk can store a large amount of data in it, and hard disk is present inside the CPU box. It is present inside the CPU box. Now second one is CD and DVD. Yes, CD or DVD is an storage device, external storage device. So CD and DVD, it looks round in shape. It is a shiny disc, and it can store a large amount of data but less than pen drive or less than hard disk. Okay, so CD and DVD can store large amount of data but less than pen drive and hard disk. Now what is pen drive? The last picture is of pen drive. The last picture is pen drive's picture. Okay, so this small device is known as pen drive that we have already learnt in our chapter. This small device is known as pen drive. It is used to store a large amount of data but less than hard disk, and it is used to transfer data from one computer to another. We use pen drive for that. Okay, so children, we are done with the chapter. In the next class, I will show you some storage devices. Okay, I will show you the realistic pictures of the realistic storage devices. Okay, so till then, stay safe, stay in your home and stay healthy. And thank you for watching the video, children.